Hi everyone, I'm Selka Biko from Group B and I will be reporting Module 5, the elements of social marketing. As discussed by my group mate, social marketing is an approach which to develop activities aimed at changing or maintaining people's behavior for their benefit. Whereas marketing in the commercial world ultimately seeks to influence consumer behavior for profit, and social marketing encourages behavior that provide benefit for the individuals and society as a whole. For the learning objective, at the end of this report, fellow students will be able to understand the elements of social marketing and be able to translate or use them effectively in any development initiatives in order to influence positive behavior change for societal good. So, what is social marketing? Social marketing defined as the application of principles and techniques strained from the commercial sector aims to influence a targeted audience to voluntarily accept a product or service. That is according to Kotler and Zaltman in 1971. Although there are numerous definitions given by social marketers, the most prevalent one is a program planning process that employs commercial marketing ideas and methods to achieve voluntary behavior change. Social marketing facilitates the acceptance, rejection, adaptation, abandonment, or retention of specified behaviors by the target audience. Concepts in social marketing theory. The social marketing theory is a framework for planning, organizing, implementing, and assessing social marketing with the primary purpose of information exchange. According to Bhattacharya in 2018, it uses innovation to transmit information that is packed and disseminated according to a set of rules to ensure optimum efficacy rather than relying on public service announcements as in the past. The goal of social marketing is to understand the social and psychological factors that contribute to societal resistance to change, as well as to increase the target group's acceptance, responsiveness, and implementation of any social notion. Marketing approaches as market segmentation, exchange theory, and consumer research are all commonly used. Now, we will learn about the elements or the components of social marketing. Components of social marketing are the four social marketing that are also used as methods are known as the four P's of social marketing. These are the product, price, place, and promotion. For your appreciation, let's define each of them based on DEFCON 2.8 material. Product is the focus of transaction between the social marketer and the target clientele. It may refer to a tangible product, a social cause, idea, practice, or any form of behavior change that will contribute to the individual's or society's best interest. Launching the right kind of product is one of the critical decisions for marketing. Product is always the primary component defined in the product mix. Without product, the price, place, promotion will not stand independently. Product binds the entire strategy as it is the main offering which a customer interacts with and gets the expected value from. Example in social marketing, the target community is encouraged to acquire or use family planning, clean drinking water, saving and credit institution, healthy foods, organic farming, and other socially required products. The goal is to create products that are both sustainable and beneficial to society. Next is price. Based on DEFCON 208 material, price consists of far more than just the monetary cost. It also involves other factors such as behavioral, psychological, social, physical, and geographical reasons that the intended audience may give up or enjoy in exchange for the adoption adoption or non-adoption of a certain innovation. Pricing strategy is itself a field in itself and is the second most important component in the mix. Every product offerings needs a price in exchange of the value provided by the product. Example, in social marketing, the price may be monetary or non-monetary. The cost of purchasing a product that may benefit the wider population is referred to as the monetary price. Non-monetary costs include the psychological and social cost of changing a habit, time, or effort. If the price is low, the change is more substantial. Next is place. Based on DEFCON 208 material, place pertains to the channels. Example, the mass media, group dynamics, or interpersonal channels used to make the social practice or idea available to the intended clientele. In the case of a physical product or service being marketed, the place may mean the actual point or purchase or access. The market where the product is sold is known as place. The markets should be convenient for the consumers to access. Distribution network for a product determines its availability in shops, outlets, store websites, and etc. Place is determined by a clearly devised strategy. In modern business, place can be online as well as offline. E-commerce has changed the concept of place in the front end. Distribution is very complex and requires thorough analysis of the various channels, stakeholders, supply chain in order to make sure that the product is available to customers at the right place and at the right time. Example, in social marketing, the location is where you will find the needy target population. The most effective use of social marketing will be in this area. The completed alterations will take effect at the product distribution or the location sites where the product is offered. The campaign will be successful if the area is easily accessible. Last is promotion. Based on DEFCON 208 material, promotion includes all the activities and strategies regarding promotion and popularization of the social product being endorsed in one or more groups of target adopters. The method of communication by which the marketer provides information about the product is known as promotion. It includes advertisements, personal selling, word of mouth, publicity, etc. Without promotion, a customer may not come to know about the features of the product, or maybe customer doesn't even know that the product exists in the market. Promotion can be used to inform or educate the customer about the product, price, as well as the place of availability so that the customer can get it as expected. In social marketing, one of the example of promotion is the goal is to spread awareness about a product or a habit. It relates to how information is communicated. Public relations, media advocacy, and entertainment are all used to make it effective. As are advertisements, charts, documentaries, and other tools and methods to promote more effectively. You must be creative. To summarize, the four P's of marketing, product, price, place, and promotion are part of the marketing mix framework, which enables to formulate basic marketing strategy for the target market through these four P's, covering the overall offering, distribution, advertising, and pricing. The product mix is a crucial tool in determining a product's offering to customers. So again, when we say product, this pertains to the brand, services, or packaging. Price pertains to discounts, offer price, credit policy. When we say place, this pertains to market, the channel, and distribution. And when we say promotion, these are the advertising, publicity, and sales promotion. Example of the four P's in social marketing. This is one of the DepEd's development programs, which is a school-based feeding program or the SBFP. So, in this development program, the product is the nutritious meals. No, the program provides nutritious meals to undernourished students in public schools, improving their health and academic performance. The price for this development program is free. The government funds the program, making it accessible to all eligible students. While the place for this program is the school, as the food is distributed directly in school. And promotion is handled by the DepEd and other government agencies as they promote the program through school campaigns, community outreach, and social media, emphasizing its benefit in reducing malnutrition, improving student focus, and encouraging school attendance. Parents and teachers are also involved in these advocacy efforts. In addition to my report, I would like to discuss other marketing mixes nowadays, which are not mentioned in DevCom 208 material. Some other modern marketing mixes include the 5 Ps, the 7 Ps, and the 5 Cs. Although each reflects certain aspects of the 4 Ps, they also possess some unique elements that alter their emphasis on the marketing process. The 5 Ps are product, price, place, promotion, and people. Today, many marketers use the 5 Ps over the 4 Ps because they center the experiences of customers and staff in the marketing process. Typical considerations include how a customer behaves, their product experience, and overall satisfaction with the business. The 7 Ps are product, price, place, promotion, people, processes, and physical evidence. The 7 Ps are further elaboration of the 5 Ps, adding considerations of the processes that define the customer experience and the physical evidence that the target market needs to see to become customers, while processes might involve the specific customer service processes that define a product. Physical evidence can be websites or store displays that help the target market imagine themselves using the product. 5 Cs are customer, company, competition, collaborators, and climate. In some respects, the 5 Cs reflect many of the same concerns of the 4 Ps and 5 Ps, but with added emphasis on external factors such as possible outside collaborations and competitive research. Furthermore, while climate refers to the social, political, and economic context surrounding the market, customer refers to the target market and customer experience. Company, meanwhile, refers to the place of the company and their available resources in the marketing process. So, in conclusion, social marketing is a powerful approach in development communication designed to influence behavior for the betterment of individuals and society. Unlike traditional marketing, which aims to sell products, social marketing promotes positive social change, whether in public health, environment conservation, education, or other social causes. By utilizing key elements such as product or behavior change, price or barriers, place or accessibility, promotion or communication, including also stakeholders or the people, and policy regulation support, social campaigns become more effective in reaching their goals. Please see references for this report. For our discussion, will community development program work or still work without the structured use of the elements of social marketing or the 4 Ps of marketing? Please explain or cite an example. That ends my report, and I hope that you can effectively use the elements of social marketing in your future development initiatives. Thank you.